He's a blessed I would know. Let's
Watch, so and so. Hear me I say, right about now, you hear someone talk about this and I talk about that. Gaza Nation, you see, the unity collaboration with vybz Kartel post up with him, Likkle vybz, spragga Benz, and Demarco. What? Of the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. You know it go already when I come for represent. Hey, a full effect thing. You know it go already when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch me. Are the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now in the Gaza Nation. The sister all of them chat this and chat that about the world boss. The sister the world boss is nothing like what you hear them talk about, right? Because you know, say, after all the thing where they go on down with spragga Benz and assassin from back there till what day when it surface up on the internet and spragga Benz and say him help the general write song and the general say no go. So you see say all after that said and done, you see say the general and him still link up with collaboration. So you see say the general far from where you hear some boy a chat about. You see say the general is a reasonable brother. Well, you see, the man is just a no-nonsense brother when it comes to certain business and roots and respect at the level of a music business and unity business. You see how them act like the general no want unity in a dance hall. Respect in a Rasta, yes, man. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my brother. You see what I deal with? Yeah, so them act like the general no want unity in a dance hall. You know what I mean? How much boy wanna see a go around and I do that? You know what I mean? Boy want act like them hype and I go like them sit down upon them pride like a bitch. You see what I deal with? And I go on with all type of fuckery. You see me? And when time all said and done, niggas want point finger upon the general and act like the general are the splitting and go on in a dance hall. Remember, you know, the reason why dance hall split up like that, you know, through the general there behind the bars, you know. You think if the general there road in a high demands, you'd hear all enough of them who will hear chat up them out, get no chance to talk no different fucker in a dance hall. Them would have to fight to get a hit song. This is where I deal with much more if you go on with fucker and a split, you know what I mean? The dancehall nation and the boy them are going with all type of stupidness because them not go on with no work out there, them not push out no out there. They mean to tell me say it's a sin dust drop and as the thing drop it up on the top 100 iTunes top 100 chart. I not talk about no local business, no international shit I talk about, you know. You know what I mean? And it does drop. That for sure, yo. The type of demands and the type of respect where they upon the general name and music out there. And I never gonna lie to you. The song bad no bumbuckler. You know what I mean? So nobody can go on and say, well then, yeah, I show the general and the name and where. No, and not like that. The song wicked, bad song. You know what I mean? The song like is a teaching business. For sure some people say really, you don't really depend on the type of level, you know there. You know depend on the ground where I step on. You see what I deal with? You know so solid. Remember the general of concrete step or them youth are baby, you see what I deal with? I know gimmicks business. A real way me I represent and for all of who me hear I come and I tell me say oh me's a man nah represent for Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy because me I talk about young artists who want to take over and me not call Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy name. But me tell you something now. It's either on stupid or something, you know. You don't see what I go on. Remember, say, me not represent like anybody, you know. Remember, me is a man, you know. The way I represent a one of a kind thing, you know. It's hard for boy turn on him camera upon himself and represent certain way, you know, without him have some fun dangles in it with to catch people, you know. Remember, talk me and talk, you know. You see what I deal with? Yo, just listen to what I say carefully, you know. Yo, me's a man that can do every little thing for myself, you know. Plus, me have my own brain, you know. So, I not really run down where you hear a lot of people chat about and go on with it, you know. I have to know what I go on for myself, you know. And some deal with shit, you know, the bad boy. So, let me tell you this. Yo, me not have Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addy as no regular artists. You don't see the way of Vybz Kartel and Shorty bring them up. You don't see the type of professionalism where the people them bring up the youth them under. You no blind or you no dumb, you no can't see. You don't see nothing about international market them a slap off. You don't see the youth them classy, them not trashy. So how much for mixing them up with the regular bumbuckler artists? Are you stupid? You don't see a dancehall royalty them there. Something wrong with you know. And when I talk now, I say me sure. You not idiot or what? You not blind. You not see a dancehall royalty them there. What wrong with you now? I'm going to mix up the man them with some little chup artists and go like the man them thing they down there. So you mad? Are you crazy? Me can't do that. Me not roll them way there. Me not clown to the thing. Me not know what me I see. Me not have to talk what me see. Me can't talk what me not see. Not talk what me not know. Me have to talk what me know, my brother. And talk what me see. Me can't talk what me not know. Now what me not see. What me see me I tell you about. The youth them underneath straight professionalism. You not see the way the youth them represent. You not see the way the youth them angle themselves in the street or even on the social media. You don't see nothing but beer class there. And the background are already set already. Them are dancehall royalty. And the world boss speaking in them. Something wrong with you know. I can't mix them up with regular chup artists. Are you crazy? You can't do that. Me not allowed to do that. That's what I deal with because I'm a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, international business. You know what I mean? So uno as blogger, uno as look up naysayers, uno can't say them things there. Me can't do that. Me can't mix up royalty with chup artists. Me can't do that. So nobody blame me. Just blame the way how I grow and how I stay. I'm blame the people that were grow me and my ancestors them. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we not sell out. Me not sell out cheap. You hear that? So nobody come try to test me. Me not deal with gimmicks business. You hear that? And when me I say Gaza, I no lollipop thing. So me no want some boy feel like say you can't come over Gaza channel, hide in a Gaza channel, but you wear vendetta clothes and then come and hold up a waste argument with me. Because I not deal with them type of thing there. You hear that? That's where I deal with. And first thing, no man not supposed to dive in and no man DM. Allow the girl them for that. Shisky Bob. I want me to know. And through my fire shot for the diva, boy, I want to chat up him mouth. What you feel like? You think a man my fire shot for? Now a nice, cute, sexy diva, me sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment for. I want to not like it. Diva, you're full of shape like J-Lo, you act like Maya. Watch, you have 10 star on fire. Your style kill me slowly. It's no lie like Angelina Jolie. Beyonce shape, I get me honey. And that's so right like Gwen Stefani. Full of morality, diva, you're full of quality. Your fullest physics is real like reality. Cool like AC in a car. Watch. Hey boy. I say 10 star and I feel like a lollipop thing. Naysayers and some haters love watch Star and Talk. You hear me I say? Yo, remember me no know one, you know, my brother, and I'm not running on no DM now, nothing at all, you know. Who not watch me and not talk, you know. So now for just watch winners and talk. You hear me? Losers, watch winners and talk. Watch the general on translate necessary equipment. You hear me? And you can go write up anything where you want to write up. 10 star not care about that. Once necessary equipment drop. What? Gaza way, you know? There ain't no other way. Hey, 10 star general.